everyone, welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's whole food plant-based, no oil, guilt-free cooking recipe videos. And today I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie which is going to be perfect for detox, for weight loss, to lower your A1C and to achieve heart health. Ingredients are very simple. 2 cups of spinach, a teaspoon of acai berry powder, half of boiled beets, half a cup of blueberries, 4 almonds, 1 date, 2 teaspoons of hemp seeds, 2 tablespoons of pineapple. Now, important thing, please do not make this smoothie by adding more fruit to it. I'm adding spinach, and you can use any other green that is a proper substitute, because we want to take advantage of folate and iron that is found in greens. You can substitute acai powder with turmeric powder, because I'm just looking for a little bit of an antioxidant boosting ingredient here. So acai and turmeric can be interchanged. Blueberries, try to keep it. If you don't have blueberries, skip it. Beet, definitely try to keep it, because it has the nitric oxide, which is going to help us achieve the vasodilation, which means relax the arteries and veins, thus improve the blood flow. Hemp seed, you can substitute with flax seeds. You can substitute almonds with walnuts, or pumpkin seed, or sunflower seed. You can skip date if you don't want, or you can have 1 dry fig, or a few raisins, or 1 dry prune. Pineapple, I would recommend not to skip, but if you have to skip or substitute, you can use half an orange. But try to keep the core of this recipe the same, which is your greens and beets and berries and hemp or flaxseed. So I'm just going to add water to this. I'm making 2 servings, so I'm just going to blend this, and a delicious smoothie is going to be done in a minute. Okay, so smoothie has been blended and it's absolutely delicious. I'm just trying it. It has the perfect sweetness from the date and beets, and nutritionally this you can't really beat it, because like I said, it has all the properties needed to induce weight loss and detox and taking care of our heart health, and the anti-inflammatory properties. So I hope you will enjoy it, and again, thank you so much for your comments and questions. I really appreciate those. Let me know what recipe you want me to do next, and I'll try my best. Please enjoy this lovely smoothie, which is full of nutrients.